Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to do a quick follow-up on this Hercules 20 volt cordless drill that I reviewed a few weeks ago. I made a mistake in the video, which I put in the description, and I'll put a description in this video as well to that unboxing and review. Now in that review, I stated that this port here, which I don't have this on my DeWalt or my Bauer jigsaws. This isn't something new. So I was actually trying to hook a shop vac up to this and trying to suck, which that is not the purpose of this. The purpose of this is your shop vac in reverse. You know, a lot of times you just disconnect the hose and put in a different location at the blow. And what that does is actually when you put your shop vac in here, you want the blow, which blows the material out the front. Now, since that review, I've had a lot of good comments on this. You know, this is still a fairly new tool, and I bought this as soon as it hit the stores, and I like it. People in the comments really liked it. So that's it. Just wanted to talk about that mistake I made in that review. All right, look for this tool. It is a really good tool right now. It's really be a really good seller. All right, guys, thanks for watching.